So Werner, Unleashed came out, and judging by the sales of that product, home run product. But since it's come out, we have a lot of competitors coming out with names that are even similar. Can you tell me what you found?
Oh, sure. A lot of these guys are claiming to be working like the Unleashed, but they don't. These products are based on hydrogen peroxide and a quat. And I can tell you that hydrogen peroxide has absolutely no chemical effect on the main basic components of urine, which is urea and uric acid. Let me tell you how hydrogen peroxide works in this process. Hydrogen peroxide has zero reactive effect to urea, and it may react with uric acid present in urea, but produces another compound called cyanuric acid, but the bacteria breaks it down the same way, so the end result's the same, is smell. So hydrogen peroxide does zero zip, does nothing, nada to break down urine. What it's doing is killing the bacteria that is biodegrading the urine and making the smell. So when you kill the bacteria, the smell stops. So if you don't remove all the organic matter that is there, as you know, bacteria always comes back. So the smell is going to come back again.
So you still have the food source left.
Correct. So this is a Band-Aid. It's an aspirin for a brain tumor. It hasn't resolved the problem. It just took the symptom of the product down for a while. So hydrogen peroxide is not resolving the issue. If it worked, we would have done it. And I can tell you this, when I used to clean 30 years ago, that's what I did. Because I'm cleaning apartments, there was no other technology to do that, so I would use quat and hydrogen peroxide. And that kills the smell because I kill the bacteria, and then I'm walking out of there and don't care what's going to happen next, right? So apparently our competitors have discovered what we knew 30 years ago.
Right.
So I'd be very careful with these products. If you're a splash and dash type of guy, go ahead and use it. But if you want to eradicate and solve the problem and have a return customer, then you need to do something else.